Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a FabFitFun fall unboxing. But first, I need to explain why it looks like I'm in a forest right now. We're moving in 3 days, so I had to just like put these plants here because I'm trying to hide all the garbage that's behind them. Like it's a mess and I have nowhere to put it. So we're a little displaced today, you know what? But I'm not mad. I mean, I think it looks kind of cool. Foresty vibe, I guess. But anyway, this will be my last video in this apartment. I cannot believe it. It's crazy. We're moving in 3 days. We're moving to Chicago. If you haven't seen my other video of our sneak peek of our apartment, go watch that if you don't want to wait till I do like a full video on our new apartment. But I am so excited. So the last video in this apartment, we're gonna make it a good one. It is a FabFitFun fall unboxing. Like I said, fall is my favorite season. I mean, I think it's everybody's favorite season. I don't know why you would have another favorite season other than this one. But, you know, fall, it's velour sweaters, okay, from Express. These usually come out around, gosh, I think they usually come out around, if I remember, like Black Friday, so November. Hopefully they come out sooner than that this year, but we wear our velour sweatshirts all season long. We drink pumpkin spice lattes. We do all the basic things, and I love it. Okay, anyway, so this is what the fall box looks like. And I have to say, let me preface this by saying, I always do these unboxings. So FabFitFun is a subscription box, and it is $49.99 per box. But if you haven't signed up yet, or if you want to sign up, you can use my code, which is Kiki, which is $10 off your very first box. I would make it $39.99, which is great because these boxes are always over $200 in value, and you only get full-size products. So there's no trial size stuff. There's nothing like that. So you're safe, okay? I just know so many other like subscription boxes where you just get a tiny little like sample size that you would get at Sephora, maybe even worse than Sephora. But also the other unique thing is that FabFitFun boxes, you can customize them if you're a member. So what I wanted to say about that is that they listened to me. I mean, I think it was me, I don't know. I was talking in my last video how I didn't get to customize my box last time, so I was just kind of pulling out stuff, and I would have chosen other things, but it would have been maybe a good box for somebody else, just it wasn't for me. So this time around, I got to customize everything. So this is a fully customized box by me. So anyway, they listened to my feedback, and they always listen to your feedback, so I think that's a testament to, you know, the kind of company they are. And by the way, this is one of the only subscription boxes that is predominantly cruelty-free, which most companies just don't even care about that. They're just like, oh, whatever. Who cares about those cruelty-free people? They're crazy. So anyway, if you are cruelty-free like me, most of the stuff, like 90% of the stuff is cruelty-free. The only thing I've ever seen that's not is like Glam Glow stuff, but you can always just pass that along and you look like you're the best gift giver ever. So anyway, yeah, it's a seasonal box, comes out fall, winter, spring, summer. You know the drill. Let's get into it. I'm very excited to show you what I picked out. So this is what the inside will look like. It comes with all this really pretty, the presentation's everything. Whenever I get something I just love it that much more when the presentation is on point, and like it always is on point. The box is always cute. This is like very fall themed. I love these colors, but I love when I get to open it up and it feels like a present. That's what these boxes always feel like to me. It's like it feels like Christmas all the time because it's just like a lot of stuff all at once and you're like, whoa. But by the way, I actually convinced my grandma to sign up recently. So I don't know what it was about my last add-ons video, but something in it sold her. So me and my grandma should do a FabFitFun unboxing for my next video. I'll run you through like the prices too of all this stuff. So anyway, let's break into this. The first thing that I freaking love, and I picked these out, this is one of the things I chose. You had a couple different options, but I thought these were so freaking cute. They're ear crawlers. They're like earrings that I'm pretty sure that like go up your ear. Oh, I have earrings in right now. But these are from Bobble Bar, and I thought they were so pretty. And I've had some ear crawlers before. They go up your ear like this. You're supposed to have them like, sorry, this is the wrong side. They go up your ear like this, and it looks really cool, and it looks like you're like one of those fairy. It kind of reminds me like a fairy or something, I don't know. But anyway, these are the first thing I got. These retail for $34, and they look like really good quality, and they're really cute. So that's the first thing that I chose, and I'm ecstatic about it. It was a great choice by me. Here is another thing that you got to choose, and keep in mind there's like usually like there's like 4 options at this point. Like you get so many options. So I think it's worth it to become a member, so you can actually choose what you want. And I think it makes it a better deal that way and a better experience overall. But so this is a Kate Spade makeup tote. So it is actually, this is really big. I actually have another one of these and I love it. It just says out to lunch, if you can see that right here. And it's a really nice neutral polka dot. I love it. It's really big. You can hold a lot of makeup in here. And I picked this because it matches my other one and you can never have enough makeup travel bags. So I thought this was really cute. This actually retails for $30. Oh, it's a lunch tote. Oh, it's a lunch box. Okay. I didn't see that. I just think, I think makeup all the time. So I'm gonna use this as a makeup bag, but that is, I guess that is kind of cute. Lunch tote. Okay, that makes sense why it says out to lunch. Sometimes like I don't think my brain turns on some days. Okay. Okay, here is the big thing that I chose. And you had a couple different options, but this is what I chose. So I chose a hair straightener from the brand Amica. This actually retails for $80, which is pretty standard for what a nice straightener would be. So this is the bag that it comes in. There's the brand name right there. And then here it is. So it's this really pretty coral color. And this is like a friggin' straightener. You can adjust the settings, you can adjust inside of here the settings, so like how hot you want it. It has an on and off button, and then it has these plates. I think that if you don't have the plates on them, it doesn't straighten your hair as good. So this is a nice straightener. This is like heavy duty. So anyway, that's a huge thing right there. That pays for the box right there. So if you need a straightener, you know, maybe just get all the other stuff with it and get yourself a straightener for only $49.99 or $39.99 with my code Kiki. So there we have it. We love it. And here's the next thing that I want to show you, because this makes me laugh, because like I said, my grandma just signed up this month, and so she's gonna be getting this box. So I hope this is something that comes in every box. Let me make sure. It is. Okay, so this comes in every single box. This is an Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. And it actually retails for $30. It makes me laugh because my grandma loves Aveda products. She will literally travel to salons that she doesn't even go to just to buy Aveda salon products. So it's hilarious to me that this is in here, because I know she's gonna use it, and I've never seen this brand in here before. It has like always a certain smell, but Aveda hair care products are cruelty free too, and a lot of salons are solely Aveda salons, so it is like a salon quality product, and these are really expensive and really good. So I'm actually really excited to have this, and I always love to put like a kind of like a leave-in conditioner or a repair cream on my hair when I get out of the shower. So I'm definitely gonna use this, or if I don't use it, I'm just gonna like give it to my grandma. Even though she's getting one too, but if she really likes it, she probably will. Here's the next thing. I feel like we're off to a great start. I mean, I don't know about you guys. But here's the next thing that I actually chose myself. So this is the Trustique Mini Eye Essentials, and it comes with 4 crayons. It retails for $48. It's a really nice brand. It looks like a little crayon box right there. This is a really nice makeup brand, and I like it because these little, see this right here? These are like little chubby crayons, but I really like it because I feel like I could just go on my upper lash line and just like intensify it and just do like a little outer corner or smudge it a little bit. I really like the colors it comes in because it's like dark browns, bronzy, and then it does come with like one kind of lighter champagne color that you could maybe use on your inner corner. They're really creamy. Check that out. Super creamy, and they're really bright. Let me do a dark one so you can see. But I also put this on for a while, and then I couldn't really get it off. Oh my god, this is so creamy. So creamy and really, really pigmented. So I would definitely, like, I don't know about you guys, but I would definitely pick that one if you are gonna customize. You had a lot of other good options, but I thought that was a really good one. So next, this is actually something that comes in, I believe, everybody's box. So these are the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. It's a 6-pack, and it retails for $25. So the products have definitely made up for the price of the box. Anyway, this is what it looks like. I know that you guys have probably heard of this brand. They sell it at, I don't know if they sell it at Ulta, but it is a high-end brand. These are gold eye masks. You can put them in your fridge, and then they're really cold, and it's just like a nice little pamper thing. I don't know how much of a difference they make, if you know what I mean, but it's a nice thing to do if you're just sort of like relaxing, you're pampering, whatever, you're laying in the bathtub. I don't know what you're doing, but it's a nice thing to have. It's kind of like a nice pamper thing, or if you're doing like, you know, it'd be really cute if you put together like a pamper set for somebody else. I always think about doing stuff like that where you do like a themed gift basket. I don't know, okay? I don't know. But I'm thinking about stuff. I love to like give some of this stuff away too that I'm like maybe not gonna use. So like I don't really use eye gels, but I know a lot of people that do. So it's a good way to give gifts to other people and just, you know, anyway. So here's another thing. These are really cute and I actually like the packaging. I think I might just keep this in a jar in my bathroom and it might look kind of cute. But these are exfoliating sugar cubes from the brand Harper and Ari, and it's called Juice Cleanse. So I don't know what these are. Take a single cube in the shower and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Oh my gosh, ooh, it smells good. It smells like a Bath and Body Works thing. This might be something that comes in every single box. I'm not sure, but it retails for $16. So, ooh. It smells like, oh, it smells like a Bath and Body Works candle, but I don't know which one. Anyway, so we have one more thing. This is the Human and Kind Skincare with a Conscience Body Souffle. So it's a body souffle cream. I believe this comes in everybody's box. And it says, lather yourself in souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. It retails for $18. So there it is right there. Let me see. Again, why does it smell like a Bath and Body Works? Oh, it smells good. I really like this. It says it's natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. So, you know there's not going to be anything gross in there if it says that. So I really like this. And you know what? It smells really good. And again, it's like, I love all this stuff together. Like, if you put, this would be so cute. Sorry. This would be so cute if you did like a pamper set for somebody else and you put like all these things in there. The possibilities. So yeah, that's everything that I got in my box. Like I said, this is the first time I was able to customize absolutely everything in the box, and it's just a good experience because like I said, I've been through it before where I didn't customize and I've gotten things that I was like, probably not gonna use that in a million years. But like this stuff is so cool. Like the fact that you get a straightener, a whole straightener that is $80, that's nice, and it's this really pretty coral color. I freaking love it. I'm so excited, and I'm telling you, I really need a new one. The last one I had was a chewy one, and I bought it in middle school. I mean, they last forever too. They do last forever, but it's like sometimes it just wears out and you're like, I think I want a new one. But anyway, yeah, again, like I said, if you want to sign up for this box, I totally recommend it. It's always fun too. It's just like a fun thing that we always get to do because I do all the unboxings. So if you want to sign up for the FabFitFun fall box, there's going to be a link down below. And if you haven't ever gotten a box before, your first box will be $10 off if you use my code, which is Kiki, and it'll make it $39.99. So you'll get all of this stuff for $39.99. That's crazy. Like I said, always a $200 value. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the new apartment videos. I'm so excited. I'm doing a ton of moving vlog videos. But anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.